Managing team emails efficiently is crucial, especially when customer service, client communication, and internal collaboration are on the line. Two popular tools that promise to streamline the shared inbox experience are Mailbutler and Front. But which one offers a simpler, more intuitive solution for your team? Let's dive into the features, ease of use, and overall experience of each tool to help you decide. Ease of setup and use. When simplicity is the goal, how quickly and easily your team can get up and running matters significantly. Mailbutler. Mailbutler is designed to be a lightweight, intuitive email productivity tool. It integrates seamlessly with existing inboxes, primarily Apple Mail, Gmail, and Outlook. Installation typically takes just a few minutes, requiring no technical expertise or lengthy training sessions. The user interface feels natural, uncluttered, and user-friendly, allowing team members to immediately take advantage of productivity features like email tracking, scheduling, and task management. This makes Mailbutler particularly attractive for smaller teams, startups, or individuals who want instant productivity gains without dealing with complicated setups. Moreover, Mailbutler's minimal learning curve means that users can immediately begin utilizing the extension effectively without losing precious time in onboarding or training. For teams without dedicated IT support or for professionals who prefer straightforward solutions that enhance their current workflows, Mailbutler provides immediate benefits and ease of use. Now, Front, on the other hand, is a comprehensive customer service platform offering more robust functionality from the get-go. The setup process for Front is straightforward and well documented, guided by extensive support resources. However, because Front provides a broader range of tools and a higher degree of customization, initial onboarding may take somewhat longer, especially for teams unfamiliar with customer service platforms or advanced inbox management systems. Front addresses this complexity proactively by offering thorough onboarding resources, including detailed documentation, live webinars, customer success support, and step-by-step tutorials. While Front's setup may initially appear daunting to teams who seek instant simplicity, its structured onboarding support significantly smooths the learning curve. Teams willing to invest a bit more time up front will benefit from Front's comprehensive tools, which offer considerable long-term productivity and collaboration advantages. User experience and interface. Both Mailbutler and Front focus on creating intuitive experiences, but both approach it differently. Mailbutler seamlessly enhances your existing inbox environment by adding practical tools directly within your email client. This includes message scheduling, follow-up reminders, email tracking, and collaboration features like notes and task assignment. The strength of Mailbutler's user experience lies in enhancing familiar workflows rather than drastically changing them. Users can effortlessly adopt these enhancements as Mailbutler's features integrate smoothly into the existing email interface. The intuitive design minimizes disruptions, enabling users to maintain their established routines while benefiting immediately from productivity enhancements. This approach ensures rapid adoption and sustained productivity gains without overwhelming users with complex or unfamiliar interfaces. Now, Front takes a more holistic and expansive approach to user experience, consolidating multiple communication channels, including email, SMS, WhatsApp, social media, and live chat, into one unified inbox. Its interface is modern, visually appealing, and designed to mimic traditional email clients, thus making navigation intuitive despite its broader functionality. Front emphasizes clarity and ease of access by organizing complex workflows and extensive collaboration tools into a clean, structured layout. Most notably, Front excels in clearly assigning and tracking conversation among team members, displaying message statuses prominently, and integrating collaborative features like shared drafts, internal comments, and straightforward at mentions. These capabilities enable teams to handle large volumes of communication efficiently, making Front highly suitable for teams that manage complex or high-volume interactions. Collaboration and shared inbox management. Collaborative efficiency is vital for managing team emails. So how do these two compare? Mailbutler offers streamlined collaboration directly within the inbox through simple features like shared notes, reminders, and task assignments. These features are ideal for small teams needing quick, straightforward collaboration focused around individual emails or immediate tasks. Mailbutler's lightweight approach ensures minimal friction in communication, allowing teams to quickly coordinate actions without navigating extensive management systems. However, Mailbutler does not offer extensive shared inbox management for automated workflow capabilities that are typically necessary for larger, busier teams. Instead, its strength is simplicity and speed of communication for small-scale collaboration needs. Front significantly expands on collaborative capabilities with comprehensive shared inbox management. Its advanced collaboration features include automated message routing, clear conversation ownership assignments, detailed internal comment threads, and AI-powered conversation summaries. Front also supports features like collision detection, ensuring that multiple team members don't respond simultaneously to the same message. These sophisticated tools dramatically improve collaboration efficiency and accuracy, particularly in customer support or sales environments where precise and timely responses are essential. Front's collaboration tools ensure that all messages receive prompt attention and the team communications remain clear and organized. Automation and workflow efficiency. So efficiency also hinges on the automation capabilities offered by each of these tools. Mailbutler's automation features are intentionally straightforward, designed to enhance email productivity without requiring extensive configuration. Features such as email open tracking, scheduled sends, automated reminders, and simple follow-up prompts significantly reduce manual effort and boost immediate productivity. These tools suit teams seeking rapid practical benefits without complex configurations or management overhead. Front's automation capabilities are substantially more advanced, featuring a powerful rules engine, advanced workflows, and no-code automation for routing, prioritizing, and tagging messages. Front also incorporates AI-based features for message categorization and workflow optimization, automating routine tasks and allowing teams to focus on higher value activities. However, these advanced automation capabilities necessitate a higher initial setup and ongoing management effort. Teams must invest time initially in customizing and refining automations to their needs, but the long-term payoff in workflow efficiency and accuracy can be substantial, particularly for teams managing high message volumes or complex customer interactions. Reporting and analytics. For teams prioritizing continuous improvement, insights and analytics matter. Mailbutler provides practical and focused analytics, including basic email opens, link clicks, and recipient engagement metrics. These insights allow teams to quickly gauge the effectiveness of their emails without being overwhelmed by complex analytics. Mailbutler's approach suits teams that value quick, actionable insights to inform basic strategic decisions. Front provides extensive analytics, including detailed performance reports, customer satisfaction scores, service level agreement tracking, and a comprehensive message metrics. Its analytics dashboard delivers in-depth insights into team and individual productivity, customer interaction trends, and communication effectiveness. Teams managing customer service, support, or sales interactions on a larger scale will find Front's powerful analytics highly beneficial for making informed decisions, improving performance, and refining strategies continuously. Pricing simplicity. Budget and simplicity often go hand in hand for small and medium-sized teams. Mailbutler offers a simple, affordable pricing structure starting at $3.95 per user per month, making it highly accessible for smaller teams and individuals. So their pricing is very transparent and predictable, scaling reasonably based on user count and your features. For the most basic plan, called their tracking plan, comes in at $3.95 per month, and this just gives you the basic open and link tracking. The professional plan at $7.95 per month, this gets you the email tracking, as well as a way to manage contacts, schedule emails, create professional email signatures, insert message templates, attach notes and tasks to your emails and contacts, add follow-up tasks, tag email notes, tasks, signatures, contacts, and templates, and share that with your team. You can also turn your shared inbox into a collaboration hub, which features like email assignment, live status, and collaborators. Then there's a smart plan at $12.95 per month, which is their most popular plan, and you get everything in the professional plan, plus the AI-powered email assistant and more. There's also the business plan at $29.95 per month, but overall, Mailbutler's pricing is very affordable. And if you want to get started with Mailbutler, we'll have a link for you down in the description below, where you can get started with a free trial for 14 days. After that, use code CharlieChangMedia MB for 15% off your order. Front's pricing is a little bit higher, starting at $29 per seat per month, escalating quickly with added features and users. Now, although Front provides substantial value with its advanced functionality, teams must carefully assess their specific needs and select the appropriate pricing plan to ensure cost efficiency and avoid unnecessary expenses. So taking a look at Front's pricing plans, they have their starter plan at $29 per seat per month, which is good for up to 10 users. They have their growth plan at $79 per seat per month, which is good for up to 35 users. And these are their monthly pricing. So if you go ahead and click on their annual pricing, you can go ahead and see that you can go ahead and save some money with that. And for a full look at their features, go ahead and click the link down below in the description and navigate to the pricing page to get a list of all the features. So who should choose which? You should choose Mailbutler if your team values immediate simplicity and minimal training. You need practical inbox enhancing features without extensive configuration. Your budget is a bit tighter or your team's just a bit smaller. And you should choose Front if your team handles higher communication volumes across multiple channels. You need powerful collaboration, automation, and advanced analytics. And you can invest slightly more time in initial setup for greater long-term efficiency. So both Mailbutler and Front have clear strengths tailored to different team sizes and needs. For teams needing immediate simplicity and minimal complexity, Mailbutler stands out. But if your team needs a more powerful, comprehensive platform to scale customer service and internal collaboration efficiently, Front's feature set and advanced automation capabilities make it the better choice. Ultimately, your decision should align with your team's specific workflows, budget, and future growth expectations. Now, if you want to get started with either of these products, we'll have links for you down in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means that we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you, and these really help support the channel by allowing us to continue to create free content just like this. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we make videos dedicated to helping new and existing entrepreneurs get started and succeed in business, so be sure to subscribe. Other than that, thanks for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.